make sure to follow us at GullahGeecheeNation.com. GullahGeecheeNation.com. And one of the critical things that you see us fighting for through the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition that you can find at GullahGeechee.net is to continue the land rights, the human rights, and the water rights of our people. So we appreciate all of you who donate to the Gullah Geechee Land and Legacy Fund. You can find it on GoFundMe, or if you use Cash App, you can do $ Gullah Geechee Nation, $GullahGeecheeNation, and that will go into our fund to keep us on our land and to keep these lands and waters pristine. So we want to say thank you to all the hunnuh children that dare with we, that stand with we for who we be, for protect this your land and protect this sea.